Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we will be working with rosemary leaves, aloe vera, and cloves. I was thinking about adding fenugreek seed but decided against it. You also need a container to put this all in and store in a dark, dry place. So I went ahead and sliced my aloe vera into little pieces. You don't really have to cut it this small. The only reason why I did so is because I love to use the drinking water bottles when doing this. So after cutting it, I'm going to put the aloe vera inside the container. Aloe vera is very good. So I started using aloe vera because I know that both aloe vera, rosemary, and cloves help protect the scalp. They straighten the hair and also thickens it. They rejuvenate the scalp and fight itchiness and dryness. And I suffer from a lot of dryness. My scalp is always dry. So this three combination is really good for my hair. And of course, we know all three promote hair growth. It helps fight hair loss, especially around the edges. I don't know who is suffering from edges, loss of hair on the edges, but this will help you grow back those edges. It also stimulates healthy hair as well. It treats dandruff, and one thing that it does that I found out is that it prevents premature graying of your hair. So if you're noticing some grayness going on in your hair, this will probably be a good combination, especially with cloves. I'm not sure if you guys know, but rosemary, both rosemary oil and rosemary DIY leave-in conditioner is up there when it comes to natural hair remedy for hair growth. So as you can see, I am adding everything inside this water bottle container. I already added the rosemary. I am now adding the cloves. I have also added my aloe vera, and what I'll be doing next is filling this bottle with water. I did add a lot of rosemary because I really love the smell of rosemary, and it helps because I'm using aloe vera. The rosemary smell is going to mask the aloe vera. I'm going to go ahead and store this in a dry, dark place for 2 to 3 days, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like after the 3rd day, and not too bad. I did open it to smell it, and no, it does not smell terrible. It smells really nice. All I smell is the rosemary. So I'm going to transfer the water into my water bottle, into my spray bottle, and after doing so, I'm going to add some essential oil. An advice that I would give is that you should probably strain this using something with smaller holes instead of this, but I didn't really mind because some rosemary leaves went into the spray bottle and that wasn't so bad. The 2 oils that I will be adding to today's spray will be the peppermint oil and the 100% biotin oil. I personally love peppermint oil because it soothes my scalp, especially when it is dry and itchy. And we already know biotin is recommended for healthy hair growth, and why not just buy the oil, right? So I added a couple drops of the biotin, and I am going to add a couple drops of the peppermint oil. So after this, I'm just going to cover it, and I recommend that you should store this in the fridge. So I decided to add a little clip to show you guys exactly what I do when I apply this spray. I target my area of weakness, which is mainly my edges and the back of my hair, but I make sure to spray every area of my scalp, and once I spray, I massage my scalp at the same time. You could do this with braids, you could do it with any protective style. Just make sure not to oversaturate the hair with water, if you have your hair braided, because then your hair will start to smell. Once I'm done, I make sure that I return the spray back to the fridge. You can actually use this spray 2 to 3 times a week for faster results. You could use it more, but just make sure that you are listening to your hair and making sure that it's not actually drying out your hair. Thank you everyone that watched this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.